The management staff of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN, led by the president of the university, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, has paid a condolence visit to the family of Alhaji Bello Maitama Yusuf, who died recently at the age of 76. Bello Maitama served as a Minister of Interior between 1980 and 1982 and a Minister of Commerce from 1982 to 1983. He was also a Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria representing Jigawa State between 1999 to 2007. Condoling the deceased family, the delegation described his death as a colossal loss not only to his immediate family and Jigawa State but to the entire nation. During the condolence visit, the delegation prayed to Almighty Allah to forgive his shortcomings and grant him the highest rank in Jannatul Firdaus. They also prayed to Almighty Allah to grant the family the fortitude to bear the irreplaceable loss. Among the management staff of the delegation include the Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Vice Chancellor Franco-British International University Kaduna Professor Abdullahi Muhammad Sabu, Vice President Administration MAAUN Maradi Dr. Shaibu Usman Tanko. Others were the Director Founder's Office Dr. Aliyu Mirunga, Examination Controller Murtala Musa, as well as other staff of the university. Late Alhaji Bello Maitama, survived by his wife, children and grandchildren, and had since been buried in accordance with the Islamic rites in Kano.